the tropics, and there's one system, 97, that we are keeping a close eye on.
Yeah, so today we're struggling a little bit because of some dry air. I want to show you the loop here real quick, guys. And you know, the thing we always talk about, smaller systems can rapidly weaken and they can rapidly intensify. So I think over the next couple of days, there will be times that some dry air works in and kind of entwines itself within this particular feature, and that is clearly what was happening today. But now it's starting to make a little bit of a comeback there, so we'll continue to monitor that. There's a big ridge of high pressure. Part of the Azores high is to the north of it, and then we got the Bermuda high over here. That is going to keep this one moving off in a westerly direction, and then with time, as it gets over warmer water, it'll start to intensify, and as it begins to grow in size, it'll slow down. We believe that this is still going to be a major hurricane. As we head towards the weekend here, there is likely going to be significant wave action on the northern side of Puerto Rico. We'll have to watch the northern side of the Leeward Islands as well. Let me show you the latest computer models now. There's two distinct things I want to make mention of. Number one is that all the models lie within the cone. However, towards the end of the cone here, there's a group that goes to the north towards Bermuda, and then there's some tropical models that are going more towards the west. The ensembles are also showing a wide range as well. So this one is far from definitively making a curve or a turn to the north. I've been hearing a lot of folks saying, this one's going out to sea. If you believe that, then you're fooling yourself. We won't know until this weekend where this is going to be headed. It all depends on this ridge, how strong or weak this particular feature is. From there, then we start getting the hurricane hunters flying in, and that's another level that helps us to kind of figure out A, the intensity, and B, where the atmosphere is going to steer the storm. So just keep checking back in. It's going to take some time. We're in the watching mode. We're not concerned yet. We're in the monitoring mode, okay? That's where we're at. Again, a lot of the models here are forecasting a hurricane, and several of them also forecasting a major hurricane. And with strong storms, you get significant wave action. And that is what's going to be going on. This is a forecast now of what the wave action would be like come Sunday evening. The darker red here, that's 40-plus foot seas. That is all expanding outward. Now, the barrier islands here, the Bahamian Islands rather, act as a protector for South Florida, but you can see some of that wave action here starting to approach our east coast of Florida as we head into the upcoming weekend. And then on the flip side of things here locally today, we've got showers and storms producing this beautiful rainbow over downtown Orlando, all in response to these fast-moving showers. This was literally over St. Cloud like 20 minutes ago. Now it's over West 2 Studios, approaching Sanford, Longwood, back towards the University of Central Florida. There's some gusty winds here, 25, 35 miles an hour, so we'll continue to monitor that. But there's also some blinding rain, the type of rain where you have to stop and pull over just to make sure you can even see. You can see the breeze has worked on through. A couple showers there up to the north. We take a look at some rainfall totals today. Lake Hart, St. Cloud, Kissimmee, in a very short period of time, picking up 1 to 2 inches of rain. We head into the evening. You can see all of the action is now on the western side of the peninsula and winding on down by 9, 10 o'clock. So just got to get through the next couple of hours here, then we'll be in much better shape. So let's take a look now at Futurecast for tomorrow. It's almost a carbon copy, folks. East breeze in the morning, working back towards the interior with a push here towards the western side of the peninsula, so we'll continue to gauge that. But again, you can see now rainfall amounts on the western side of the peninsula much higher than the eastern side. Temps tomorrow, whether you're along I-4 or I-95, 90 to about 95 degrees. All right, let's put it all together here real quickly. We get a little drier, a little hotter there as we get into Friday, but the rain chances, Kristen, going up over the weekend. Temperatures, however, not going anywhere.